Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU 16th, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So to begin with, let's open the settings, then let's scroll down and find fingerprint, face and security, and scroll down to install unknown apps. Click on it, and as you can see, there is a list of apps from which you can download something. As you can see, only videos are allowed. If you want to allow, for example, to download something from Chrome, then simply tap on it and click on the switcher near Allow installation of app from this source. Let's get back, and as you can see, from now on you're enabled to download something from the Chrome. So that's all. This is how you allow unknown sources on your MEIZU 16th. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.